basically, if you keep listening to it often enough, there it is. And it's where I'm talking who was my co-presenter on my show at Bloomberg. And what we're talking about is just basically, if you keep at the levels it's at now, then you're fine, basically below $80, and the stock market is going to be perfectly fine on that. Got it? And if you want to know where all these are, alpeshpatel.com/links, right? So oil is not the great destabilizer. Dealt with, done, move on, right? The problem private investors often make is they pontificate and pontificate to another level. Somebody said they can't hear me, from Stefan from Zurich. But I think everybody else can, so that's good. I hope everybody else can. Just give me a thumbs up if you can indeed hear me. Okay, and we'll deal with some of that later. Now, is there anything else on here that's worrying me? Well, no, because the whole China issue and Trump, whilst he's exaggerating the deal, the Chinese are far cannier than Donald Trump is. It is positive for the market. What are you going to think about is, what is your focus? The focus is the market. If the focus is the market, everything else is irrelevant. And does it impact the market or not, and to what extent? And then move on. Now, Trump saying he's got some kind of a deal, that's positive sounds for the market. It is not negatively impacting it. The precise nature of that deal, whether he has or not, whether he's deluded, none of that is causing a negative impact on the market at the moment. So that being the case, it is not negative, so it's good, all right? It's not negative, therefore it is good. It's as simple as that. So out of news and all the news that we see, there is nothing that's currently negative. Now, AI, is it in a bubble? I've written an article about this. Go to campaignforamillion.com/blog. Is it in a bubble? I've taken some of the data from Goldman Sachs. And if you look at that, data, then what you will see is we're not in a bubble yet because of the profitability of the underlying companies. And after the expectations of profits become unrealistic, in other words, we're paying so much money in order to get unrealistic profits, we still don't need to worry, because momentum takes over for a while and gives us ample time before we have to panic and exit anyway. Okay, so that gives us a lot of protections. It gives us a hell of a lot of protections on there. By the way, in case you're not aware,